You know, I've lived in Toowoomba for, I don't know, 6-7 years now. And the Japanese gardens has always been on my agenda to come visit. For some reason, I just never made it. And so today my diary is really clear with work. And I thought, instead of just sitting there doing nothing, just mucking around and just having a lazy day, I thought I'll come out and show you around some of the places in Toowoomba. Probably didn't know we're here. Japanese gardens here in Toowoomba is just spectacular. The only thing is, at the moment, for some reason, there's no real water in any of the waterways. There's one waterfall there and there's the ponds, but all the other sections are completely barren. This looks pretty cool. Like I've mentioned before, just because you live in your little tiny home on wheels doesn't mean you can't get out and explore the wonder of what cities have got around you. Like I said, I've lived in this city for 6-something years and I've never been to these gardens. And I think that's a real shame because they're just stunning and I can't wait to see what it looks like when it's full of water. Sorry Casper, but they wouldn't allow vans inside the garden, so we had to stay out here with the noisy bus. Picnic Point, which is at the top of the range, is a beautiful place. I'll take you there in a second. One thing a lot of people don't realise is there's a hidden little gem at Picnic Point. And again, I'd been here for a long time and it was only recently I discovered this little gem. So when you park up the hill where you normally would and go to the actual main area of Picnic Point, make sure you come down the hill a little bit and there is this great spot. I'll show you. The first place to notice is there's an awesome lookout down here. Check this out. What a park. A lot of people don't come down this area. I know a lot of locals didn't even know this was here. Tell me, if you live in Toowoomba, did you know you had this lookout here? There's the Toowoomba range. Crazy. And then, as this guy's finding out, there's all these walks up there and all these paths. I don't know if you can hear that in the background. Can you hear it? Come up in here under the canopies and look, there's another path coming up here. It's right on the edge of the range. Can you hear it yet? Amazing. Check that out. Either I'm in focus or it's in focus, one or the other. So let's check this out. We've got these stepping stones. At least this one's got water. Pond there. How amazing is this? Right in Toowoomba at Picnic Point. I had no idea. I mean, the views are just incredible. You've got this amazing little waterfall. You've got ponds. The temperature has dropped probably 10 degrees. And it's just spectacular. What can I say? But it just gets better and better here. So all the paths to walk around, just places to kind of explore, surrounded by these massive, I don't know, whatever that is, sandstone or granite or something. And there are plenty of other walks around. These ones were just the hidden little gems that many people who even live in Toowoomba aren't aware of. If you're aware of it or any others I'm not aware of, drop it in the comments below because I'd love to be able to check them out. Toowoomba is a beautiful city, but if we don't know, well, we don't know. All the lovers, look at them. Goodness me. This is the lookout up at Picnic Point. There's a beautiful cafe up there I'm going to go check out. Just incredible. For reference, on the horizon over here somewhere is Brisbane CBD, and that there is called Tabletop Mountain. Now I'm going to take a hike up there shortly. Not today, but I will take you up there in this video. Might stick the drone up though, get an idea of what it looks like, but it is pretty wild. Let's go get something to gobble down. Maybe a Devonshire tea. A bad view from this table. This is not going to end well for these scones. The question is, where's next?